So I was looking for a nice office chair. I decided to pick this one up. I just wanted to show people really quick. This is what it looks like when it is assembled. Installation literally took under 15 minutes. Really easy directions, which were great. All the tools, they even gave you extra screws. All the screws are in here, labeled neatly. There's the Allen wrench, which is nice. Even information, so you can actually contact the company, which is great. But the instructions were actually very, very well written, which is pretty surprising sometimes these days. But very, very happy with that. But overall, no, very, very happy with the chair. Again, this is what it looks like assembled. I would recommend use the box. The box is really helpful when you're standing the chair on, especially putting on the arms and putting on the back. So you can literally just put the chair right on top of the box. It makes assembly that much easier for you. But again, just want to show you what it looks like from the back. The meshing is really nice, keep you cool, especially on the hot days. And there's all of your adjustments, okay, and everything you need. So that's it. Hope it gives you a little bit of an overview of the chair. Highly recommend. Seems very well made. Again, easy to put together, packaged well. So overall, this was definitely a home run.